Yeah, I'm out here to one of the main spots I forage for paws and spicebush. Uh, I know neither of them are ripe yet, um, but I just like to check out the situation when I'm by here. It's been brutally hot lately, and last year they didn't really do too well because it was so hot and dry. It's not been quite as dry this summer yet, but we'll see how that turns out. But yeah, I'm gonna go take a look. You can come with me. Yeah, there's a bunch of pawpaws on these trees. Check them out. They're still little, but man, they're just everywhere. And this whole woods is just thick with them. Those are walnuts right there. Yeah, I drove by, saw these. I thought they were the spicebush berries getting bigger, but here's a there's mulberry right here. They'd already be getting ripe elsewhere. I guess these are, in a spot where they got to compete for the sun. Oh wow, these are ripe. Usually they, turn red then black. That's cool. Leaves are edible too. And rabbits like them. There's another place they go right around the corner. They get fruits on even very, very small plants. Some of them are only maybe 2 or 3 feet tall. Oh, look at the leaves on that mulberry. Kind of funky. Yeah, I hope nothing ever happens to this place. It'd be a shame if it got cleared and developed. This is the best spot I've ever found for wild foraging pawpaws, and they're just all through that woods. Yeah, there's that spice bush. Them berries aren't ripe yet. Yeah, that's about it.